to my YouTube channel. On this tutorial video, we'll be converting our HD footage into 4K that is achievable in Premiere Pro. And if you are coming across my video for the first time, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscribe button. So let's get into it. Here I have this footage which was recorded with HD, full HD. So I'll be converting this footage to 4K. Now let's say I'm done with my editing, right? So I want to export. I can easily click on Ctrl M to get my export panel up, or I can come down here to get export. So here I have my export. Now, if your video tab is kind of collapsed like this, kindly expand it. There's something I wanted to observe, right? So now, if you look at this place right now, the frame size is full HD. So what we want to achieve here is we want to try and make it 4K, right? That is the purpose. So now this preset here is where I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it to high quality 2160 4K. So the moment I change this, in my frame size here, change to UHD, which the frame size has as well changed, and it still fits into the frame, despite that the footage is 1920 by 1080. All right. But if I go up and choose 4K, so I'm going to see this blank space around it because the footage was now recorded as 4K. So you want to stick with this UHD. This will still give you the 4K quality, no doubt about that. So once you have that, you want to come down here. You can come across yours to be like this. So just click on this to get the more information. Then let's come down and click on check this render at maximum depth, and as well use maximum render quality. Now once you have that, the rest are kind of fine. So now next thing I want to do is you want to come down here, the bit rate, you want to pick the second one, and the maximum bit rate, you want to use the maximum complete 300, right? So now this target bit rate, it depends. Well, I personally use 50. I always use 50 to get it will still give me the quality, but you can use 80. 80 is the best. But the reason why I don't use 80 is because of the file size. Imagine this is just a 4-second clip, and it tells me that, okay, let's take it back to 80, and it tells me that we have 40 MB. Imagine it is 30-minute video or probably 1 hour video. Can imagine what kind of file size that will be. So if the file size is not your problem, you can stick with this. You are good to go. But if you kind of try to, manage, so you want to probably choose 50. This gives you the best. This still come out to work. But if you want to reduce it based on the file size, you can still reduce it. But I would just advise you to keep it to 50. So, but you can try it out and see if the quality is okay for you. If not, come back again to export and use 50. So once you achieve that, next you want to do is just export and let it come out. So if this video has been helpful, kindly click on the like button, share it out, and turn on notification because more tutorial video like this is going to be coming up on your screen and you don't want to miss out. So I remain Emmanuel. Stay creative and see you in the next. Bye.